Okay, first things first. Why is it important to massage your face? I guess you must be already knowing. If not, here's why. Stimulating the face muscles with regular massage helps to bring oxygen to that area, which is the natural form of anti-aging skincare itself. So it helps in natural facelift. More blood flow to the area increases collagen production, which gives a healthy and natural glow to the complexion. Relieves stress and tension, which helps in preventing wrinkles. It can even stimulate your lymphatic vessels, which helps in removing toxins built up in your face. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to watch more reviews from online shopping, then start now by subscribing and clicking the bell icon so you don't miss anything. So today's product is 5-in-1 facial massager. I ordered this product on Club Factory App Store for rupees 379. You can even find this on other sites too. Starting off with the packaging, it came in the box like this. The MRP is not mentioned anywhere in the box. They have even provided the information in regards with the attachments here and why it is used. 2 AA batteries are used and they are not supplied. And a plier is also given. Now, talking about the accessory, it is made of plastic. It is 13 centimeter in length and 4.5 centimeter in width. This is the accessory handle. This is the accessory head. Battery slots. Switch design to adjust speed. There are 5 attachments given and each of it has its own use. Okay guys, so here are some tips before using this. Please wet the attachment you're about to use. Massage upwards in gentle circular strokes. It's recommended to set low speed for face. Please use it for less duration on your neck as the skin there is quite thin. Okay, so now let's start using this. It's better if you do it in your washroom because it spills everywhere. So I have placed a cloth here. First of all, place the batteries properly, plus on plus and minus on minus. Attach the attachment like this by pressing slightly and then you're good to go. Let's start. This is an exfoliating brush. Exfoliation is crucial for removing dead cells off your face. Apply any face wash and start exfoliating. Please do not overdo this because there are chances that you may end up having rashes. 1 minute is more than enough. Then wash your face thoroughly. The second attachment here is a rolling massager. Apply any oil of your choice and start massaging. You can take your own time for doing this because it really feels good. This can't be used so much on the eye and nose area. And yeah, one more thing, don't press it too hard on your face because obviously the rollers won't move. The third one here is a latex soft sponge and this can be used on your eye and nose area and even on your cheeks. Apply oil or cream of your choice and start using this. This helps in better penetration of the applied product and helps your skin to be nourished and hydrated. The fourth attachment here is a makeup sponge. You can apply any foundation or cream of your choice and start using this. This gives a very good finishing except for the corner of your eyes. There you gotta blend it yourself. The last attachment here is a crude polish. This is not as harsh as pumice stone. It's smoother when compared to that. I highly recommend you not to use this on your face, but you can definitely use this on your elbow and knee areas as the skin there is quite tough. You'll definitely feel the difference. Apply some soap or body wash and then start with this. Now talking about pros and cons. Pros first. This is portable, handy, and there are 5 attachments for real good reasons. And it's reusable. Coming to cons. Overdoing certain steps like exfoliating and crude polishing can lead to rashes. People with dry, sensitive, burnt out, and acne prone skin, please stay away from this. This is made of plastic and can break on hard fall. You have to be very careful and avoid the water getting into the motor area because this is not waterproof. Use warm water for cleaning all the attachments and air dry it after every use. Please make sure that the batteries are out after every use. So yeah, that was my review for today. Please subscribe, like, share. I'll see you next week with another product and another review. Until then, take care. Goodbye.